Miley Cyrus delivered an inspiring speech while on stage at the BottleRock Festival, telling fans she's been rebuilding her life ever since a devastating house fire in 2018. Miley Cyrus, 28, got candid at the 2021 BottleRock Napa Valley Festival when she opened up about rebuilding her life. As fans would know, the former Hannah Montana star's Malibu home was burned down during dangerous wildfires in 2018. She reflected on the experience at the California Music Festival on September 4, delivering an inspiring speech before performing a cover of Janis Joplin's Maybe. This song, to me, relates to the changes that I've been experiencing in my life, and the things that I've lost have come back and what I never knew I wanted or needed to gain, she told the crowd, per the San Francisco Chronicle. Even though sometimes it feels like we have to start from nothing, like with the house fire, and completely rebuild. That fire was almost 3 years ago and I'm just feeling like I'm starting to find my stability now. She also told fans she wants everyone to be patient, adding, "Nothing worth anything happens overnight, it takes a lot of effort and resilience, to rebuild a stable foundation." Miley continued, "I had a theory I would die if I didn't have a partner. If I didn't have someone to kiss me every single night. But then this was my purpose, but this was taken from me during COVID, so then I found a new purpose and that's music, which is the glue over the last 2 years and it was what was keeping us strong at the time." Related gallery. Miley Cyrus and Hemsworth's best PDA moments, pics. "I'm just so fortunate to call myself a musician and I never want that to be removed from my life because it's what fuels me. I want to thank you guys for giving me this platform to do what I love for the people that I love, which are all of you," she concluded her powerful message. Miley started dating Hemsworth in 2010, and the pair had an on-again, off-again romance for almost 8 years. During the November 2018 California wildfires, they sadly lost their home, however just 1 month later, they officially tied the knot in a small ceremony in Nashville. The marriage wasn't to last, and they called it quits the following year. She went on to date Caitlyn Carter, followed by Australian singer Cody Simpson.